Hello, Carpet Cleaning World. It's me once again, Janae Raleigh from RLMA, Roger Lloyd's Marketing Assistance Services. So, I'm here with an update about the Carpet Cleaning World Conference for 2019 in Las Vegas. If you did not know, you shall now understand that on June 6th and June 7th, that's Thursday and Friday, in Las Vegas, we will be conducting our first annual conference. This is certainly not a trade show. This is certainly not a convention. This is just a conference to give everybody an opportunity to meet up with very well respected influencers in the industry, such as Roger Lloyd, and you get to come out and network with like-minded individuals, owner operators like yourselves, so that we can all gain something to help grow our businesses. And that's what we want to do. We want to help you come away with the tools, come away with techniques and tips that you can learn and gain and apply them to your business just to help you grow and invest in yourself. We understand that it does take time to come away from your business, but what are you going to have in return? You'll get the opportunity, besides just having fun, because let's face it is Las Vegas, but you get to network with people that are like-minded, and you can get the same energy and the same spirit, and you get to come outside of your comfort zone. We got to get a little uncomfortable sometimes to shake things up. Let's do that. Let's find out how we can sharpen our skills. There's something that I learned very recently. I didn't come up with it myself, but I heard it and it resonates. A dull axe won't cut a tree like a sharp axe will. Let's sharpen our axes. Let's get the trees cut. Let's do it quicker. You can cut away with a dull axe as long as you want to. It might come down, but you're going to be chipping away at it over and over and over again and tiring yourselves out. Let's sharpen our axes. Let's do what we can to enhance each other. This is the brotherhood, as I was speaking of before, how we can help each other grow. And that's the bottom line here. Challenge ourselves and don't let anyone put their limitations on you. That's something that I really want to drive home. Someone tried to recently do that to me. I don't want them doing it to you. Don't let anyone put their limitations, say, you can't do that. You don't have it in you to do that. It's unrealistic. Whatever it is, don't allow anyone to put their limitations on you. Come out to the conference. Find out how to sharpen your skills. Find out where you can meet experts and influencers that are in the industry. Enjoy the demonstrations where there will be giveaways and prizes from Wander's products. They are donating the Silver Bullet vacuum filter, an ozone machine, the lie detector thermostat as well, which Roger has displayed and demonstrated often, especially in the last couple of weeks. So you'll have a strong shot of coming away with very valuable prizes. Tony Dang products will be there. The Dang Pro Wand, $1,200 value, is going to be given away as a prize. It could be you. That alone could be worth it just for you to get a product just that's going to help enhance your business, help grow your business. Come spend some time, have a good time, and come away with a great product. We have Dion Bush from the Carpet Cleaning Academy. He's going to grace us with his presence. He is master instructor of Carpet Cleaning Academy and owner at Carpet Genie. He's going to come out and speak and present as well and grace us with his presence. He's offering some products from his Genie cleaning line, and he's also going to offer exclusive only to Carpet Cleaning World Conference attendees half off of his training package. And we'll give more details about that. And that's over at least over $1,200 in value. So we want to give an opportunity for you to come away with great, valuable prizes like this, things that you're going to need to help you start your business, maintain your business, and grow your business. And that's what we want. Triplex has offered to send out their Century Shield fabric protector. I believe that's a value of $39. So kudos to them for offering that. Soap Daddy has offered their starter pack, $75 value. Thank you, Dion, at Soap Daddy. And the rinse he's also offering as well. That's at a $22 value. So once again, thank you. There'll be demonstrations with that, and you'll have the opportunity to come away with wonderful products and cleaning agents that have been promoted throughout, and you know about them, and you get an opportunity to use them because you've attended this conference. Registration is at $59 for CCW members. There's still room, there's still space. Give me a call. The phone number to reach us will be 484-420-7220. We'll post that up. Or you can email rlma4ccw@gmail.com. So, aside from our keynote speaker, Roger Lloyd, who will motivate us and give us his great tidbits, his wonderful marketing and his how-tos, and all of the tools and the endorsements that he has, and just the wisdom, just from that alone, you have a valuable time to have a one-on-one and Q&A with Roger. A lot of you have been calling to get a consultation time. Here's your opportunity to do this face to face. There's nothing like being able to do, being able to have a face-to-face conversation and get the motivation from someone you may consider a mentor and influencer in this industry. We will have from House Call Pro presenting will be Josh Liu. He will help explain the benefits of having a CRM system and using a system that will work with and for your business to help enhance it, allow you to take payments immediately, allow you to keep your scheduling and your systems done properly, allow you to email and market to your clients and your return clients. So using that, we're going to show you how to help enhance your business using a system such as theirs. And they'll also discount their first month, at least the first initial month of service at a very low discounted rate. So for those of you who have left House Call Pro, we will be able to offer a way for you to come back in where there's no sting in price, no price shock, no sticker shock, as we call it, at only $19 a month, exclusive to Carpet Cleaning World Conference attendees. So you might want to take advantage of that as well. We will also have myself, Janae Raleigh from RLMA. I will be offering for RLMA as a giveaway or prize 1 week of live inbound phone answering. So for those of you who wanted to be able to experience that and not quite sure if that's the way you want to go, you're considering using the service for your business, but maybe on the fence, utilize this, take advantage, come out to the conference. It could be you that wins a week of service, and I can answer your phone lines for you during your business hours. I will study the services and the pricing that you have set up for your business. I will upsell and increase your ticket based on how you want to have them done by way of enhancements or other services. So that's something that I am offering, which is at a $400 value. So you have an opportunity with that as well. Let's see. Tony Dang has the Pro Wand. I mentioned the Wanderers products that are being offered, the lie detector, the ozone machine, and the silver bullet vacuum filter. So these are wonderful prizes just for coming out there alone. We will also have, for those of you, I've talked to many of you that have expressed the fact that you wind up having barriers when you want to expand and grow your business. You might have to make large purchases. You may have had to increase your payroll. You may have had to buy another van or truck or some large equipment and unable to do so because you could not get a business loan. We want to help you become credit worthy and help build and establish business credit. There is a place called Don't Be Left in the Dark. We will have a speaker on day 2. Otha McDowell will introduce how you can build and establish business credit. There will be programs available strictly for attendees of the Carpet Cleaning World Conference. So you definitely want to take advantage of that. On day 2, we will have them available to educate those of you that need some credit restoration, whether it's in your personal life and obviously in your business life. So take advantage of that. And lastly, we will also have Quinine Tax and Bookkeeping. Dan and Quinine was introduced at some point for the business tax returns, which is available for you. However, Mr. Quinine has agreed to offer special services for anyone that purchases the LLC and S Corp startup. You don't want to be a sole proprietor, and he's going to explain to you why, and you'll be able to take advantage of that at a discounted rate. However, he will also take care of your business taxes for you at no additional cost for the entire year. And he will also walk you along and hold your hand through all of that process that are, things that you just don't want to deal with. And why not have a tax professional take care of that bookkeeping side that you just don't, that might be a little above all our heads, because that's something I don't want to mess up. I'd like to, because I know how to do some of it, but I don't want to mess it up. So I leave it to the professionals. And Dan is really good with that. So we're going to give him an opportunity to help you guys do that. And he'll also have the opportunity to help us all understand how we want to separate our business from ourselves and our personal profile and social security number and things like that, as far as our credit is concerned. So he will help us separate that, and he will help us establish getting an EIN number for those of you that don't have one. And he kind of walks you along the way. So it's very interesting information, and it's very necessary for all of us. So that's what we have. There will be demonstrations of the Devastator wand. There will be demonstrations with a true truck mounted lot. We have someone who's going to donate that. We want to thank him for that. Out there in Las Vegas, he's going to come out and allow us to set up his truck mount system, and all attendees will be able to see and use the demonstrated wands. The Devastator wand will be out there. The Dang Pro wand will be available for you to demonstrate. The Bentley wands. They're going to have these vacuums. I forgot the name of them, but and possibly CRB machines. The Concourse? Oh, I'm sorry. The Workhorse vacuum. Forgive me. The Workhorse vacuum will be demonstrated there, and we're trying to see if we can get some CRB machine out there for you guys to demonstrate and enjoy using and get some. A lot of people are talking about it, so we'll find out what the big deal is. For those of you that didn't understand it, it can be demonstrated live right in front of you. Learn how to use it, learn how to utilize it, and we're hoping that we can get a live demonstration for you then as well. So everybody, give me a call, 484-420-7220. That's RLMA4CCW@gmail.com. I'll be very happy to get you registered. Only $59. The hotel has discounted the rooms they've blocked off rooms just for the conference. So you mentioned that you're going to stay and come for the conference. The rooms, which are usually $139 a night, are only going to be $99 a night then. So you'll want to be able to take advantage of that. See Las Vegas. We're 3.5 miles away from McCarran Airport. They're going to shuttle you in from the hotel for free. No cost to you. And they also have a free shuttle to the Strip at the Mandalay Bay side, the better part of the Strip, so that you can enjoy Las Vegas. Have fun. We want you to do that. We want you to be able to return from being at a live conference hosted by Roger Lloyd and the carpet cleaning world. We're so excited. We want you to be able to have experienced new ideas, new approaches, meet the experts and influencers of the industry face to face, make these connections, gain the energy and the spirit that's going to take place there, and rub shoulders with these folks. We want to see your faces. We want to say hi to you, take pictures in front of the Carpet Cleaning World banner, shake hands with Roger Lloyd, shake hands with Dion Bush, shake hands with the gentleman, Troy Howard, the partner at Sotellus. That's who I forgot to tell you about. I saved the best for last, guys. Sotellus. That's going to give you your business reviews. It's a business review company you can do right there on the spot. What better way to advertise your company and your carpet cleaning service than a review, a live business review right then and there. And they also go right along with and they coexist with your Facebook, your Yelp, or your Google. So guys, you want to see this. Troy Howard from Sotellus is going to speak on day one. He's going to come out and we have a wonderful way to get you guys sign up. They're waiving their sign up fees. This is going to be awesome. You're going to be able to enjoy getting your 5-star reviews. That's going to boost your business automatically. They're going to not care about anything other than what their neighbors or colleagues or peers said about the service that you've provided, because you've shown these awesome business reviews. That's what keeps the phone ringing. For any of the services or carpet cleaners, owner operators that I've worked for, you know who you are. You get a lot of your business because of your reviews. Business reviews are where they are now. They used to be called testimonials. Well, that's outdated now. Now they're business reviews. Let's get them on there. Why did you give us a call today? How'd you hear about us? Oh, all those 5 stars that we got on Google. Oh, well, we love Google. And then there you go. That says so much more. It lasts so much longer and it goes so much further than any advertising you could do right now in this time and age. Now, I'm not saying that other advertising methods don't work. It's just something to add to your arsenal. Sotellus is going to be there. They're going to grace us with their presence and they're going to waive their startup fees. So that's their contribution to the conference. I'm very excited. Can't wait to see you there. Anybody have any questions? Give me a call, 484-420-7220, or email me, rlma4ccw@gmail.com. Thank you so much. See you all there in Las Vegas, June 6th and 7th at 2800 North Green Valley Parkway at the Courtyard Marriott in Green Valley. Have a great day. See you soon.